Good day class, welcome sa classroom ni Sir J. So this time pag-aaralan natin how to find the nth term of a geometric sequence. So ito yung example natin. So find the 10th term of the geometric sequence 9, 27, 81, 243, so on and so forth. So para mahanap natin ang ating nth term ng geometric sequence, gagamit tayo ng formula which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. So now let's break down this formula. Ano-ano ba yung naandyan? So again, the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 r raised to n minus 1. Yung a sub 1 natin is the first term, r is the common ratio, n the number of terms, and a sub n is the nth term. Ito yung pinaka-hinahanap natin. So, going back to our example, ayan, nakalagay, ang hahanapin natin ay pang 10th term. So, now let's have the solution. Again, writing the formula, we have hanapin natin lahat ng mga variables natin. Let's begin with a sub 1. Ano ang a sub 1 sa ating sequence? So we have 9, the first term. Next is r. So ano ang magiging r natin? If we're going to look for r, let's simply divide these two numbers kasi ito yung dalawang maliit na numbers. So 27 divided by 9 is 3. Then, we have n, the number of terms. So, ano ang magiging n natin? Yun yung kung pang ilan yung ating hinahanap. So, 10 terms. So, ang n natin ay 10. And the unknown, a sub 10. Since alam na natin ang mga given ngayon, simulan na natin ang solution. Having our formula, let's substitute the given values. So we have a sub 10 is equal to a sub 1 is 9, r, so that is times 3, n is 10, minus 1. So 1 here is constant. Let's continue. So, ang una nating isi-simplify ay yung nasa exponent na part. So, just simply copy 9 times 3 and 10 minus 1 will be 9. So, a sub 10 is equal to, so by following the hierarchy of operation, ang uunahin nating isimplify ay yung exponent rather than multiplication. Since malaki masyado yung ating exponent, I advise you to use calculator, especially scientific calculator. Ngayon, kung wala tayong scientific calculator, pwede tayong mag-download ng apps kagaya nito. Ayan. So, this is, ayan, CalcES. So, dinownload ko siya sa App Store. Ayan. So, this is one of the scientific calculator na makikita natin or madadownload natin sa App Store. So, nandito kasi yung shortcut kung paano natin mabilis makukuha ang sagot kapag malaki ang exponent. So, unahin natin yung manual. Kasi dito sa ating given, meron tayong 3 raised to 9. So, that is the same as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, times 3, times 3, times 3. So, ilang 3? We have 9. Bilangan natin kung tama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ayan. So, the answer in 3 raised to 9 is 19,683. Ngayon, using the function in the scientific calculator, paano naman yung shortcut? So, pag malaki ang exponent, hahanapin lang natin yung function na to. Yung x raised to box. Kalimitan sa ibang calculator, that is x raised to y. So, paano siya ginagamit? So, ganito lang. Una, itatype lang natin yung base, yung ating 3. Ayan. And then, you're going to press that x raised to box. So, kung makikita nyo sa ating dialog box, ayan, yung 3 nagkaroon siya ng box sa taas, doon nyo ilalagay yung magiging exponent niya. And the exponent on our example is 9. So, type natin yung 9. Ayan, makikita natin 3 raised to 9. And the answer is 19,683, which is kapareho nung manual multiplication natin kanina ng maraming 3. Okay, so sulat na natin yung sagot. We have 9 times 19,683. So, hindi pa yun ang final answer kasi i-multiply pa natin sa 9. So, a sub 10 is equal to, so yun nakuha nating sagot kanina, which is 19,683. Ita-times natin sa, ibabalik ko muna sa 0. So, we have 683 times 9. Yan ang ating magiging final answer. We have 177,147. Yun yung pang 10th term na hinahanap natin on this problem. So, bigay tayo ng isa pang example. Here is another example. So, find the 8th term of the geometric sequence 7, negative 7, 7, and negative 7. So, let's have the formula first. Ayan. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 or is to n minus 1. Sulat natin ang mga given. A sub 1 natin is 7. R. So, ang R natin dito ay magiging negative 7 divided by 7 is negative 1. Then we have n. Pang ilan yung hinahanap natin? We have 8. So that will be the number of terms. And ang hinahanap natin ay a sub 8. Now, let's substitute the given value sa ating formula. So we have a sub 8 is equal to a sub 1 will be 7 times r is negative 1 raised to n. We have 8 minus 1. So we have a sub 8 is equal to 7 times negative 1. Then subtract your exponent. We have 8 minus 1 is 7. So a sub 8 is equal to 7. Then negative 1 raised to 7. So gamitin natin ulit ng calculator. So negative 1. Then press your x raised to box. And then press 7. So the answer is negative 1. So a sub 8. Then for the last, we have 7 times negative 1 is negative 7. So yun yung pang 8th term natin. So again, class, on this topic, it is a must to use a scientific calculator. So kung wala kayong scientific calculator, download na lang din kayo sa App Store. So marami kayong makikitang scientific calculator doon. So yung ginagamit ko again is Calc ES. Yan. So I hope may natutunan tayo sa lesson na ngayon. Thank you for watching.